I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, don't give up, no. I can take.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is another hair box braids tutorial. So let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste your time. The first thing when it comes to doing your hair yourself, you really have to part it properly. Especially my type of hair, I need to part it so it's easier for me to handle. So I am parting my hair, as you can see, in 3 little buns. That's what I'm doing. Second thing is detangling is major key, okay? I detangled by brushing, and also I do a braid to keep it away and to keep everything very neat and proper for my next step. So all I'm doing is part my hair in 3 sections. 2 big section in front and 1 big one in the back to keep it very easy to manage when it comes to detangling or doing each little section for my braids. So just watch, it's very simple. Just part your hair in 3 sections or any amount of section that you think will fit for you. Okay? So I'm using Cantu leave-in conditioner for my braids, my hair. Work it up, and that's just what I like to do. For my hair, brush it, detangle it. So the braids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I'm using 5. No, I'm using 3 braids. These braids, I got it from Amazon. My sister ordered it for me. Thank you, babes. I love it. I love the color. I just love this hair. So I'm excited to braid it. The secret to braiding your hair yourself is really in the sectioning of your hair. As you can see, I'm very careful and very concentrated on the sectioning of my hair. This is what makes the difference in everything. It has to be very neat. So when you got the section down, you can really relax. If you wonder how I do my hair, this is exactly how I do my hair. Okay? Now that I got this section down, I'm going to start taking braids the size that I want, and I'm going to just section in the size that I want. Like, this is the size that I was really looking to do this time. Sometimes I like it big, sometimes I like it jumbo, sometimes I like it tiny, sometimes I like it many ways. This one is kind of like medium to small. Now I'm grabbing a hair, and then I'm taking my braid into the hair. Twist a couple of times to grip your hair to your scalp, to grip the hair to the scalp. Then you can start braiding it down. So I'm just gonna continue to braid it all the way down. It's pretty long. If I stand up, look, it's down my waist, literally touching my butt. So I just have to repeat the same thing that I did many times. I don't know how many times, I don't know how many braids that I had in my hair, but I don't know, it could be 100, it could be 50. I think it was more than 100. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing 100 times all across my hair. So enjoy this really simple box braids ombre done by your girl, yours truly, Lacassie. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel after you are done with learning, and also put your notification on so you know every time that I drop a new video. If you like these type of videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you like me to post. Do you enjoy the hair? Do you enjoy the makeup? Do you enjoy the clothing? Do you enjoy the vlogs? So back to the hair. Twist your hair, then go in and braid. Braid it down, girl. So I finished my first line, the first section that I made. I've done it all. This is victory. This is just a good feeling. And then I'm going to continue to do more sections, more braids. Keep watching. Like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Appreciate you. I just want to point out how now I'm parting the hair differently than the first time, because it makes me see better when I part it this way. You know, when I part it this way, I can really see the hair that I'm doing more. So I first start by parting it backwards just to have my line, like the middle part that I want. Then I'm going to continue to line it this way, okay? If you care to do it this way, go ahead. I find this much easier. So I got lots done, and I'm feeling good about it. So just a little break to let you guys know I've done a lot. Now I'm going to carry on to the next section. I already done the first big section that I did. Every time I finish one section, I feel like, woo, victory. Now I'm going to the next section. Yeah. Doing my hair is a long process, so I always find something to watch, something to distract me, I'm watching Dam's TV. This guy is hilarious. Like, I was just cracking up the whole time. I was doing my hair just laughing. So you need something to distract you because it gets really long, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm used to this, so yeah. And honestly, if you just relax and do it properly, like you don't have to like rush, it's your own hair. I think it works really great to do your hair yourself, to be honest with you. Bang alert! You think I'm gonna go 5 hours straight? It's been probably like 3 hours, I don't know, maybe 3 to 2 hours, and I got so hungry. So I'm gonna hit you guys with a little mukbang. This is from Nando's. I got some wings, some fries, and some rice, and it was bomb. Look at me, like I ain't ate for 5 years. Hair is getting done. Now it's time to do the back because the front is finished. For the back is kind of the same thing as the front, but this time you just don't see what you're doing. Some people use a mirror at this point. I don't use a mirror. I just turn around and I trust my fate to lead me into this tunnel. So the braids are officially done. Yeah, so basically there's a last step to the braids that I'm about to do right now. Pretty much this is the length. If I stand up, you can see it's really long. It's like touching my butt. So I'm gonna do the last step. Okay, so for the last step I need to have my towel because I don't want to burn myself. This is the part where if you can find someone to do it for you, that is very recommended, because you might mess around, burn yourself. So I'm just gonna put my towel around. Oh god. Okay, put my towel around like this. Make sure it's covering my back, especially I'm wearing like, I'm gonna do two sides because it's really quite big. So I'm gonna hot water this side and then hot water that side. So I got my hot water in a little cup like this. Makes it really easy. I'm already scared right now, really, not gonna lie. Like my thighs, I'm scared for my thighs. They are exposed. Anyway, so I'm just gonna grab one side of hair. I think I'm gonna grab a lot this side because it has the most towel and it can be protected quicker than this side. I'll leave it small like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take, oops. Okay, so I'm gonna grab like this, fist full. Make sure I got everything. Take it. Oh my god, it's really the ends that matter. So I'm gonna grab it. Let me put the cup down. I just wanna make it skinnier. Yeah, like this, like this. Okay, then I'm gonna grab my cup, dip, 1 2 3 4 5, and then pull it out. Okay, I'm gonna go do the same thing on this side. Take the water, dip. I'm making a mess on the floor with water, but I'm gonna clean after anyways. I'm just trying to remove as much water as possible. The most annoying part for me, I hate when the water drips. So it's gonna drip like this for a minute. That annoys me a lot, but the water's gonna drip. So that part is done. So guys, this sadly takes us to the end of this video. I enjoyed making this video and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you learned a few things or you just appreciated seeing someone do the hair. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, put your notification on for future videos. I love you guys. See you next time. Mwah.
Loving you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.